Bioethanol is the most common type of biofuel, and it's being produced as an alternative and a replacement for petrol, but using plant-based compounds. Over the next 10 years, we're going to increase the amount of bioethanol that we produce. And so our current process, which is creating a co-product that's used as cattle feed, we're just going to be producing too much of that. So we need to find something more useful that we can do with that co-product. Here at Nottingham Trent University, we've found a way to use this co-product more valuably by turning it into a nutritious and high-value food for chickens. It's more important than ever that animal farming research focuses on making the highest amount of high quality protein that we can with the lowest impact on the planet. Traditionally, farmers use soya to feed to chickens, and that's often sourced and transported to countries from other parts of the world. The European farming industry has been scrutinised for the negative impact this is happening on our planet. It has led to vast amounts of deforestation and masses of CO2 emissions from the various different transportation methods. We want to help our farmers by providing them with a highly nutritious and sustainable alternative to soya. At the moment, we're able to produce our new products at a rate of almost 1 million tonnes a year in 6 USA bioethanol plants. But what excites me the most is that we're about to bring the technology into the UK. Our work means that farmers can produce eggs and poultry meat in a way that aligns with the UN Sustainable Development Goals.